Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Sandeep Walia, Head of the Department, University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Chandigarh University. Today, we are going to discuss the module Airlines Ticketing Concept, Meaning and Importance under the paper Aviation Industry, Ticketing and Frontier Formalities. After completing these modules, the student will be able to understand the concept and meaning of airline ticketing. They will know about the history and tickets in airlines. They will become familiar with the different sorts of air tickets. They will know about the information and details contained on tickets. They will understand the ticketing process. To start with the ticket, in a simple language, ticket refers to a specific printed document that confirms and gives assured a seat on the aircraft for a particular journey opted by the passenger. These are required to submit at the airline ticket counter to get the boarding pass before boarding to a flight. It has been seen from the previous record that the tickets were prepared on a piece of paper and were issued by the travel agencies or airline offices located at the specific locations like airports. With the help of the globalization and the recent expansion of the aviation sector, the buying procedure of the air tickets has been tremendously changed, and due to the latest technology like internet in the 21st century, the various online portals of the travel companies are offering the online services to the customers or tourists to purchase tickets in just a single click. Therefore, due to the advent of the internet and online services provided by the travel companies or agencies, the various people don't intend to use the traditional paper tickets. They are preferred to buy the e-tickets or the online tickets. The ticket issued now these days has the information on it like the name of the passenger, date of travel, the flight code, the flight number, name of the destination and name of the origin of travel, fares and taxes, baggage information, rules and procedure on changes and refunds, etc. It also bears the mode of payments and the legitimacy of the ticket. Due to the emergence and growth of the internet, e-ticketing has become much easier and become very popular now these days. The main benefits of purchasing the e-ticket are discussed as follows. While booking through online portals of the travel agencies, it costs very low to the customers and also avoiding the cost of the printing. It also avoids worries to get ticket lost in mail or being dispatched to wrong addresses of the customer. It is easy now these days to get the details of the e-tickets by messages on the registered mobile numbers and on the registered email addresses, etc. The primary focus of the airline companies today is to provide the satisfaction to the passengers or customers. In order to achieve the passenger satisfaction, the companies are putting all these efforts to provide the booking features in the mobiles or the tablets, etc., and motivating them to use the mobile data in an intelligent way and be satisfied in real world with the services being offered by the companies. Let us now discuss airline ticketing concept and meaning. As it is written in the previous section that airline ticket is a document issued by the travel agencies that provides the assured seat in the particular aircraft to the passenger. It also helps to get the boarding pass at the airline counter at the airport. After receiving the boarding pass along with the ticket, the passenger allowed to board to the aircraft. During an earlier period of time, the printed tickets on the piece of paper along with the coupons were used to issued, and now these days, due to the emergence of the internet, an electronic type of tickets is very famous, which is also called as e-tickets. But there is a common information which generally contains on the both types of the tickets are like the name of the passenger, the name of the airline, number of tickets along with the code of the airlines provided by the International Air Transport Association, the name of the destination and origin of the travel like SXR Srinagar to IXJ Jammu, validity of the ticket except the ticket is marked as an open ticket, limit of baggage and rule of the baggage allowance and charges etc. Types of taxes applicable are mentioned. Written the alpha or numeric code of the fare basis, restrictions on changes and refunds, not always shown in detail but referred to. The dates that the ticket is valid for. The mode of payment, that is like cash, credit card, internet banking, etc. The rate of the exchange used to calculate any international parts of the fare and the taxes. Bifurcation of the total fare being charged. On 1st June 2008, it was also announced now that IATA member airlines will no longer issue any paper tickets. The ticket may be issued and better for the passenger on the airline for which it used by purchased by them. The ticket purchased for the airline is suggested to the passenger to use the same for the airline only. In case somebody wants to use the ticket with any other airlines for standby or with a confirmed seat operating on the same destinations, the same may be happened after getting it endorsed from the particular airline. But by doing this, the passengers have to pay more money. There are the various types of tickets like refundable and non-refundable. Generally, the low-cost airlines issued by the airlines are non-refundable and may impose certain restrictions like hand baggage only. Issue of the air ticket. There are three types of tickets may be issued as follows. The first one is e-ticket or the electronic ticket which needs no printout. The second one is automatic coupon ticket. The third one is manual ticket or the traditional form of ticket. In this regard, the International Air Transport Association has come with the rule that the ticket shall be issued by the specific travel agent, should be easily understood by the others or the travel agents and airlines wherever they locate across the world. The airline ticket contains the information about the name of passenger, the name of the breakup of the fare calculation, mode of payment, name of the destination and name of the origin of the journey, the code of airlines through which the passenger is travelling, the baggage allowance and other relevant information like cancellation, flight change rules and regulations, the baggage handling allowances and charges if excess baggage is there. Due to advancement in the technology and the emergence of the internet, every passenger can access the information at any time, at any location. The internet has created the technological and social environment which helps the consumers to gather the information about the different travel, exotic destinations and the various means of transportation available. Internet uses in smartphones has made easier for both the customers and the tourism companies to make travel possible at the exotic destinations. During the present century, it has been seen that the internet has benefited to the travel professionals and travel companies as well. The internet encourages the travelers to sing in a full mood and motivate them to visit their choice of the destination where they want to undertake the travel. The various travel agencies, hotels, resorts, restaurants or other online portals are also getting the benefits by selling their products and services through their websites. The online portals are doing much better than the traditional types of selling of the tourism products and services to the customers. Due to the less cost and convenience of travel booking features, the most of the travelers prefer to buy the travel services online directly from the company portals. The same has become much easier due to the introduction of the various travel applications even in the smartphones as well. The travelers may use the various mobile travel apps to book their choice of destinations using the available mode of payments like credit card, debit card or through internet booking also. Dear students, let us now discuss and try to trace the history of tickets in the airline industry. The introduction of the air ticket traces its history back to the year 1920s. Different airlines used to have different rules. The need of the airline rules in standardization form has been recognized by the companies and procedures which is going to help the development and growth of the travel industry. Therefore, in this regard, in the year 1930, ITA, being the regulating organizations, proposed the first ever handwritten ticket for multiple trips. The same standardization was seen and served the airline industry into the early 1970s. American Airlines was the first one among all airlines sought to have a system in the year 1950 which helped them in integrating and automations of its booking process for the different offices located at the different places. It is very rightly said that due to automation and the emergence of the computer and internet facilities, the ticketing process was a revolution in the 1972. The automatic system of International Air Transport Association has come up with neutral paper ticket for the first time and used its logo on the top of the ticket. At that time, ITA had also given the permission to any travel agent to use its logo on the air ticket. The ITA billing and settlement plan for travel agents also introduced in the same year. After this, in the year 1983, the automatic system was enhanced by adding the more advanced features like magnetic stripe on the ticket at the back. By adding this feature to the tickets, the information was used to store in the ticket itself and the same was also used to issue the boarding passes to the passengers. Therefore, ITA's 285 million neutral tickets including the both versions were printed and issued till the year 2005. From the history, it was learnt that the first ever ticket was issued in the year 1994. By the end of the year 1997, ITA had adopted global standards for e-ticketing. This evolution was very slow and it was depicted from the data that there were only 19% of the global tickets were issued electronically. The reasons were due to the non-knowledge of the internet and technology and the security concern of the travelers while booking online payment and issuance of the tickets online. Let us now discuss the significance of airline ticketing. The meaning of ticket on actual is a piece of paper or card that gives the holder a certain right, especially to enter a place, travel by public transport or participate in an event. Whereas the meaning of ticketing is a paper slip or card indicating that its holder has paid for or is entitled to a specific service, right or consideration. Simply trying to understand the word ticketing does not have much to understand, but if studied carefully, there is much to study on. Since the air traveling is connected within the tourism industry, ticket or air ticket is one of the most important factors for it. Tourism is a huge industry and it has provided a huge burden to the word ticket and ticketing itself. Before, it was not of much importance, but since the traveling today has become globalized and mostly people prefer air travel because of its advanced features, ticketing has shown a huge progress day after day. We know that tickets are sold out through various means like online bookings, through travel agents, airlines, websites and various other ways in the present context. But various people are still unaware of the significance of ticketing in today's world. We do see lots of people traveling through one place to another and using air travel, and they still don't have much idea about the procedures of the running business of the ticketing. This small word ticket and the ticketing hold a very vital role in the tourism industry and various other sectors as well. Ticketing or air ticketing has been one of the most essential aspects of the travelers to cover up larger distances. Therefore, air ticketing is important in tourism industry, which provides a greater value for the utmost supply to the tourism sector. Ticketing is not only involves the issuing of tickets, it means the connections between various other related reservations of the hospitality industry as well. It has much more significance to the tourism industry, as we can see in the actual. Ticketing generally does not have much value in various sectors to various personnel in today's date, but if tries to go to the option of it, there's lot to be going in depth for. The various airline industries and computer software companies have come up with the latest travel softwares, which really makes the ticketing jobs much easier and efficient. Dear students, let us now discuss about the advantages of online airlines reservation. To ask for the booking of the tickets and rely on the single price of the same on the travel agents is gone days now. Today's world, the consumer may purchase the tickets from the online portals. By using the online portals or apps of the companies, the consumers may compare the prices on several airlines to travelers to print boarding passes and selecting their choice of seat and meals as well while sitting at a home. They have a convenience while they are booking while sitting over home. It is very convenient for the customers to book the ticket of their choice, and they may compare the prices of the different airlines in a single click by using the online portals or smartphone applications, which really saves the time and the cost of the customers. The customer does not matter where is he or she may book or cancel their journey tickets at any time and may get the customer support throughout the day or the night being provided by the travel agencies. In terms of prices, booking the airline tickets online offers the freedom to choose the best price being offered by the different airlines or the service providers. Generally, travelers don't get the same when they will book the same from the office of the travel agent. Whatever the travel agent is going to quote, the same has to be accepted by the travelers. While purchasing the ticket online, the travelers can check out many airline fares, many portals, many different vendors and other terms and conditions, and of course the payment mode like credit card, debit cards, internet banking, etc. or any travel cards issued by the different card giving companies. The next is the early check-ins. It is true that by booking the tickets online saves a lot of time. Any traveler may check in as far as in advance 2 hours before the departure of the domestic flight and 3 hours in case of the flight is an international one. Many airlines offer the services of early check-ins through their online services. Any traveler simply may visit at their portals and find their booking or reservation, may enter his or her details and generate their boarding passes while sitting at his bedroom, at his home or any place where he can. Now these days, major airlines are offering multiple check-in options in which travelers can receive the boarding pass barcodes sent directly to their registered mobile numbers. Changes and cancellations. The online reservation system offers the services pertaining to the changes and cancellations of the tickets. It is very simple for the travelers to visit the respective website of the companies or the service providers to change or cancel their bookings or the companies also gives the customer support which deals with all the queries relating to the changes or the cancellations or the alterations required in the bookings. Further, it has also saved the extra fee by changing cancellations directly from the company's website. Many companies waive off charges anything for any cancellation or changes, but within certain days or period of the time. Let us now discuss the process of airlines ticketing. There are the various steps involved in the process of airlines ticketing, which are mainly handled by the global distribution systems, commonly called as GDS, of the airlines booking or the reservation system. Airline reservation system generally works in line with global distribution system. Internet bookings, search engines work with the help of GDS, and most of the companies offer one or more booking engines. But no doubt there are other independent travel booking agencies or is also called non-GDS companies like Deltex and Sita Travels also offer popular booking engines. To work efficiently and effectively, it is required that the booking engines must access global distribution system through the booking search engine. The following steps needs to be taken care of. Step 1. Specify search parameters. The passengers may use the portals while airline tickets booking system online. The second step is to search for a route, schedule and availability. To explore the possible routes between the origin and the destination locations. Uses graph and algorithms to determine possible routes between the origin of the destination and destination location. The database is shown by International Air Transport Association. While searching on the booking engine, the database shall provide the locations identified by letter and code provided by IATA. Example, for Delhi, DEL, and for London, LON in the capital letters. Information is provided includes a schedule of the airlines like departures, arrivals, day of service and journey timings, etc. The third step is the availability of the research. Availability database shows the available seats on scheduled flights. Generally, airline reservation system works in line with global distribution system and provides the availability information to GDS, and the same is sent to all the GDSs working worldwide. The fourth step is to search the fare. Different type of fares available and the passengers may choose as per their choice and convenience. The information about the fares is made available to GDS by airlines reservation system. It includes the information about the various types of fares and how and when these can be used. There are various multiple fares which are offered as follows. As per the passenger type, it may be set on the type of passenger like adult, child, infant, senior citizen, diplomat, student or ex-armed forces officers. On the basis of cabin classes, that includes economy classes, business classes, first classes or concurrent. May on the basis of itinerary type, onward itinerary, return itinerary, one way, open jaw, etc. It can be on the basis of the day of the week, whether it is a weekday or a weekend. It can be by the time of the day, peak hours or off-peak hours. Variation by booking time includes like advance purchase excursion, Apex or super Apex fares. The fifth step is passenger confirmation. To finalize the passenger booking confirmation, the fare for each passenger is considered as follows. It may be considered as on the basis of specific types of passengers like senior citizen, frequent flyer, youth or army personnel. After confirming the fare for the specific type of the passengers, a temporary PNR number, which is passenger name and record, is created in the global distribution system and in the airline central reservation system, and seats are blocked in the name of the passenger. It is mandatory to make the payment to block the booking and get the confirmation of the seat, otherwise the created temporary PNR expires automatically after 2 hours. The next and the sixth step is the payment. The passenger may make the payment of the fare by using the various mode of payments like from credit cards, from debit cards and through internet banking or any cash wallet of the different banks. After successful payment, the ticket shall be confirmed by the issuing the permanent PNR, and the temporary PNR splits into multiple PNRs to the passenger. Therefore, the payment information is also written on the ticket and the status confirmed is sent to the global distribution system and the airline reservation system. Students, let us now summarize what we have discussed in this module. The internet has changed the life and day-to-day business activities worldwide. Especially, it has great impact on the travel and hospitality business. Due to the emergence and growth of the internet, the airline industry is growing tremendously from last 2 decades after developing and using the airline reservation systems, which has now evolved into computerized reservation systems. It became very easy to book any flight while sitting at any place of any corner in the world. Millions of people do book the tickets while online and fly daily. Due to this, it has strengthened the economy of the places but also connected people and cultures at the tourist destinations. The advancement of technology has led to big progresses in the system of flight ticket booking over the years. Ticketing or air ticketing has been one of the most essential aspects of the travelers to cover up larger distances. Therefore, air ticketing importance in tourism industry provides a greater value for the utmost supply to the tourism sector. Ticketing not only involves issuing of tickets but also connected between the other related reservations of the hospitality industry as well. With these words, I sum up this module. Thank you.